everyone, in today's video we will see how to run an awareness campaign. For this, first I will go to Facebook Ads Manager, then click on create, then select awareness, continue. Okay, now I will set up this campaign. First we need to enter the name of the campaign here. I just give a name about my content back campaign. Now we will turn on the advantage campaign budget. There are two types of budget, daily budget and lifetime budget. Daily budget means how much you will spend on your campaign daily, and lifetime budget means how much you will spend on your campaign as a fixed amount. If your client says my budget is $50, then you will give $50 the lifetime budget. And if it is a daily campaign, you will divide it according to how many days you will run the campaign. I will give a lifetime budget and the budget will be $50. We will keep highest volume in campaign big strategy. Then add set schedule. When we set a daily budget, we can turn this option on, like I will give it daily budget. Now click on this and look. Now I can set the date for how long my ads will run. Okay, I want to lifetime budget, so I select lifetime budget. Then add categories. Here are 4 ad categories. If your ads are related to these topics, you can select them from here. My main product is bags, so I don't need this category. I just click on the next. Here are ad set. Here again a name will be given. Okay, performance goal is maximum reach of ads. Then you select your client's page here. I'm selecting my own page. Then budget and schedule. You can select the date, how long will you run the campaign. Start date and end date. I select the start date and the end date is 20 December. Then location. Select the location where you want to run your ads. I select on Dhaka. Then placement. Click on advantage and placement and click on manual placement. Look, many options are here. Then age and advantage audience. Advantage audience. Here you can select the age. I will give it 18 to 45. Okay. My product is women's collection like bag. So gender will be just women. Then detail targeting, click on edit. It means you want these people to know about your brand or product. Like my product is bag, so I just search bag here. Look, many interests showing here. I just select some interest. Bag. Okay, bag. Then select online shopping. Okay, done. I don't need any. Then placement. Click on manual placement. Here you can select the device. Based on which device your ads will be shown. You can custom the platforms and feeds here. I click on the next. Again, I keep a name. Then you can select your Facebook page. Then you can select your other social media account. Ad setup. Create ad. Here you can create a new ad by clicking on create ads, or you can add a previous created ad here by clicking on use existing post. Okay, I create ad. Here you can provide a single image or video, or you can use carousel, which means you can use many pictures or album. I will click on single image. Then media. Click on edit and edit media. Your content picture. Click on upload. Then I select my content like this. Now I select it, then click on next. Okay, next. Then it needs a primary text. Click on done. Then click on publish and your awareness campaign is already done. You can see your campaign. Click on advanced preview. Then you can see every feed and story. See where your ad like looks. Facebook feed, Instagram feed, Facebook story, Instagram story and profile feed. Everything. So that's all for today's. In the next video, I will discuss the other campaign.